I study in Madhusudan National School in Delhi. So today I'm going to talk about how children, or even in some situations adults, can help enhance climate resilience. And understanding this means not only knowing about the climate risks, it also means being prepared, supporting each other, and taking action. So raising awareness and education within families. Families are the first place we learn, so it's crucial to start building resilience at home. We can begin by understanding local climate risks like floods, droughts, or heat waves, and making simple changes such as fixing leaks or using reusable products. But most importantly, we should have a family emergency plan which ensures that everyone in the family knows what to do during a crisis and keeping everyone in the family safe and secure. Community engagement and local action. Beyond our homes, our communities are where we can make a big impact. So participating in cleanup drives, volunteering in resilience projects, or helping with disaster preparedness brings people together. These activities don't just protect our environment, they also create a strong bond between the neighborhoods and makes the neighborhood safe. So advocacy
Continue.
Advocacy and raising awareness in schools. So schools are powerful places for building resilience. Students can organize awareness campaigns, create educational materials, and take part in safety drills. These actions not only teach them about climate change but also prepare them to handle emergencies responsibly. Now I wanted to give an example in this slide that in all the schools there are mock drills. So there are two drills, one for earthquake and one for evacuation in our school. So in evacuation there's a fire drill. It's the same bell but there's a fire drill, and sometimes bomb threats which we had in our school recently. Promoting mental health and emotional resilience. So as Raka discussed yesterday about mental health, it is a very important aspect of our well-being and we should take care of it. So climate events can be stressful, especially for young people, and it's important to talk about our feelings, to support one another and find creative ways to express ourselves, like drawing, writing, or even storytelling. Learning coping skills also help us stay strong emotionally. Adopting and promoting sustainable behavior. So even young people can help simple habits can make a big difference, like by conserving water, choosing sustainable transports, and recycling, we reduce our environmental impact. These practices set a good example for others to follow. I would also like to give an example in this slide. So the mess where we all have food, I don't know if you've actually noticed this or not, but when the food is lying and you have to take the food from there, so there's a slogan written, khao manbhar, chodo na kanbhar. Right, so this is an example. This is a part of SDG Goal 12, responsible consumption and production. In this, it basically tells us that to consume responsibly, we should consume water and not waste any of it. We should consume food and not waste any of it, etc. Contributing to data collection and observation. So even young people can help scientists by joining citizen science projects like recording local weather patterns. This not only supports research but also teaches us how to observe and understand the environment. So in our school we have this club called Environmental Club, in which there's an option, you can go in there or not. I was in there. So we used to search up things for the environment, for the betterment of the environment. We used to also, we have like this farm area in our school where the environment club children plant trees and plants over there. We also plant tomato, I think, tomato, we plant, what do you call that, onion, yeah. Innovating and developing solutions. Creativity is key to resilience, as all of you know. So, by participating in science fairs, students can develop new ideas for tackling local climate challenges. This is how young minds become problem solvers. Influencing adult behavior. Sometimes young people can even teach adults by sharing what they know about sustainable practices. Children can encourage their parents and community leaders to make better choices. And I wanted to add this, like this happened like 2 days ago, the role play, in which Sonu Bhaiya, like he told those two, I don't know their names, but those two, these two people. Yeah, they told him and they made fun of him, so we should not do that. Next. This is the conclusion. So basically in conclusion, enhancing climate resilience is about more than just knowing the risks. It means taking actions, it means supporting each other, it means being ready, being always ready. So when we learn, we share and work together, we create a safer, more sustainable future for everyone. Thank you.
Questions? Audience questions.
Just don't ask them.